are dark gray in color. These large raptors can grow from 75 to 85 centimeters in length with an impressive wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now, a baby seagull stays in the nest for 70 to 80 days, although they lay 2 eggs, but only one usually survives due to sibling rivalry. Safaris, we're not just about creating fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. And before we totally end up the show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of this show. We have your bird trainers, Mr. Roman, Mr. Charles, Mr. Ruben, and Mr. James. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now yours truly, my name is Murphy. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the live. Now everyone, if you want to take pictures of our photographers, we have your official photographers of the crew. And this is your only chance, guys. And this is totally free. Now to those who have been to Wildlife Safari, Camel, Birds of the World in African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side. Proceed to Orangutan area. That is our pickup point for our key attractions here inside the park. And to those who want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding, it starts at 2:30 p.m. later in the afternoon. So just go up and turn to your right side, proceed to Tiger Turf. And once again, this has been Murphy. Thank you so much, everybody, and enjoy the rest of the live.
Negative ako, Andre. Next.
Yun. Kita. Nah, ni Amba.
Mana yung butterfly oh?
Ay,
Sorry po.
Na natulog ang isa.
Tulog-tulog ang italaw.
Natulog.